Car is absolutely perfect at the moment. We did like over 100 kilometer testing, and we found a very good setting just for this South Estonia roads, where are a lot of fast sections and flowing roads. So I think the whole team is actually very happy at the moment with this setting, and the overall feeling is also very good, so I'm very happy at the moment. It all started actually 8 years ago when I was working in Laitse Rally Park, and that's where I got this addiction. I was looking all the time rally cars who were driving there, and I was thinking that oh my god, that one day I want to do the same. And it's like if you give your finger to the rally, it will take your hands. And I think this has happened now. It's now 8 years rallying basically every year, and I'm always thinking that this is last year, but it's two months break, and already January thinking that I'd like to drive again.
Parem null, 70 sirgu parem lätta, 80 vasak 24 kiire, 60 vasak 3,5 kannab kivi, 80 parem 1, äkki 2,5 kannab kivi.
Well, I have to say that today was perfect in the morning and afternoon. We were leading rally in many stages, and then Roland Murakas was just a few seconds behind, and Ranna was also very fast. But I was very confident, very confident, and I was very hoping that it's not going to start to rain. And I was already a little bit thinking that it's maybe possible to have a win in this South Estonia rally, but I have to admit that I'm not strong in slippery roads. This is the case what happened now, so I lost very much time to Ranno and to Allan, and in the last stage I have to say that I somehow started to understand how to drive in slippery conditions. So, but it was already too late, and now we are here in third place, and I'm very happy. This is my first. I have to say it took me 8 years to get here where I am now. So today I'm going to celebrate it big time.